gun that Jeff got me for Christmas, the 22 long rifle and 22 mag, and I couldn't wait to get to the shooting range so I can see the power and the difference between the two, because I haven't seen that yet. And some of you haven't, so it'll be an experience for both of us, but we're going to have a little trigger time. Okay, the first thing I want to shoot is the long rifle. I have a piece of sheet metal, and I'm going to see what kind of penetration I get with the 22 long rifle. Well, it didn't have any problem going through the sheet metal, so I have something else here. I don't know why people read this shit. I mean, I don't know.
What? I mean, it's actually pretty interesting. I mean, you know, they have all these cool spells in here that you can do. Heather don't know what she's talking about. This shit is good.
But I figure we'll see what kind of penetration we can get through this. How I going. There's one book, 2 books. Oh.
They stuck together.
4 books. Do you think we'll find the bullet? Jim? Oh, look what I found. Well, it went through 4 of the books. I think maybe I found the bullet. And I felt something hard in Mr. Magic, whoever he is. And I found it. It's a bullet. A 22 long rifle bullet will go through 4 books. I'm excited to see what the mag will be. Ready. That's the mag, and that's the long rifle. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 4. I think somebody enjoyed these books. 4, how many? 4, 5. 5, I think it's in this one. Yeah. So it went through 5 books. Got caught in the 5th one. So it went through a book more than the long rifle did. And the long rifle went through 4. Me, myself, was expecting it to do a little more than just 1 extra book. Doesn't seem like, you know, it's worth the money that you spend extra on the Magnums if it's, you know, pretty much the same as the long rifle. Destination.
You know, they have all these cool spells in here that you can do, and fixing the book. Pick him up.
Here, let me put him over here on you. He wants Spider. Bear Grylls was here right now. He'd eat that.
Look, it's supper, mate.
He would eat that and say, protein. It's good for you. It'll
Yeah.
give you the energy to go on.
Supper, mate. Come on, Heather, eat it.
I'll eat it if you hold it.